My name is Scott Stovall. I'm a lawyer and a principal here at CowanGates Law Firm. I've been practicing law for 10 years. At CowanGates, I practice primarily estate planning law, but I also do business law, which includes things like LLCs and corporations, and I also do commercial real estate and some residential real estate law. The practice area that I enjoy most is estate planning because it gives me a chance to work with families in differing situations and help look at all of their assets and their circumstances and craft a plan that will help them not only while they're alive, but ultimately when one or both of the individuals pass away. When you think of estate planning, you sometimes think about planning to avoid estate taxes. Right now, you can leave $5.43 million. Every individual can leave $5.43 million to an unlimited number of people. So you've got that total amount that you can leave when you pass. And so as a result, I think I read a statistic yesterday that affects less than 0.2% of the entire American population. So it's not really the case anymore that we are planning just to avoid estate tax. The other things that we plan for involve avoiding probate. Probate is the process by which you transfer assets from the current generation to the next generation, and you have to do it pursuant to a will, or if you don't have a will, pursuant to an intestate succession, which is where the Code of Virginia writes a will for you. So we can avoid that whole process by using things like a trust in order to avoid the courthouse, and we can have it go directly to the beneficiaries as quickly and as painlessly as possible. Reasons that I hear for why people haven't taken the time to do an estate plan include they don't want to meet with an attorney. They don't think that their estate is large enough to worry about doing an estate plan. They think that it's a painful process and that it's going to take a lot of time. And it's talking about death, talking about incapacity are certainly weighty issues that people don't want to spend time thinking about when they're just worried about getting from day to day. So people have all those reasons that they don't want to come in and meet with us, but when we actually get them in to meet with them, or when I'm in the community and I talk to them, they realize that it's not that bad, that a lot of those excuses aren't even applicable or don't make sense, and they still need to have an estate plan. And in the half an hour to an hour that we meet with them to get some basic information and we get them to get their thoughts on paper, they leave here feeling relieved that they, what do they say, that a failure to plan is a plan to fail. And so they feel like they have a plan. They know if something happens to them after they sign the documents, that their kids are going to go where they want them to go, that their assets will be managed the way they want them to be managed, that if they're incompetent, that someone that they know and love is going to make those decisions for them with respect to their health and their assets. I'm Scott Stovall. I'm an estate planning attorney at CowanGates, and I'm here to help.